Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll help you explain how to use Shazam. Shazam is a music discovery app that helps you identify songs playing around you. Whether you're in a store, watching a movie, or at a party, Shazam listens to the audio and tells you the name of the song's artist and album in seconds. First, install the Shazam app on your device. Open the app. On the main screen, tap the large Shazam button to start listening. Make sure you have allowed microphone permission to Shazam. Hold your phone near the music playing around you for a few seconds. As you can see, Shazam analyzes the music and shows the song title, artist, and album when it's recognized. And that's it. Now you can identify any song in just a few seconds using Shazam. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more.